Hey, mga karana! Okay, so we're gonna do a build video today.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Arnie, kwento mo yung rig.
Bale, pumunta ako sa Gilmore ng isang araw kasi bibili ako ng bagong rig because I badly need a PC for such a long time now and it took me almost a year or more than a year to actually get the finances right. Finally, I saved up enough money for it.
So, right around the time na si RD nagka-conceptualize ng kung ano yung gusto niyang rig, yun yung time na lumabas yung Ryzen, naging very popular choice na yung Ryzen 7 as being the bang for buck performance-wise for under 20k for the processor. You have 8 cores, that's a total of 16 threads, going up to almost 4 gigahertz ata.
Yeah.
Kung tama yung ano. And that would really help us sa workload namin dito sa Primark.
Especially if you're a content creator.
For us content creators. And it will help with rendering video for most of our projects din na especially din dito sa Primark Play na apparently recording and editing 1920
it takes a lot of
1080p 60 fps footage eats up a lot of resources, almost as much as shooting and editing 4K in 24 fps. So medyo tapang sa tapang sa processing. So
at hindi ako pinatulog niyan ng ilang buwan kakaisip kung anong kailangan kong parts and what I can buy with a very limited budget because as you all know, GPU prices are really high as well as RAM prices. So I really had to take into consideration how much budget I'm gonna be putting into this build.
20k, 24k for for just the RAM?
22k for just the RAM.
Sorry, totoong burp yun, hindi ako nagulat.
Yeah.
Let's do the run through lang nung equipment. So, rig run through, for now, core internals lang muna tayo sa build na to kasi yung GPU is coming in
by the 24th, and then it's gonna be arriving here in the Philippines on the 30th.
And it's 10k cheaper than yung local store, so whoosh.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's see. CPU, for the CPU, ang ganong box.
So yeah,
Na-distract na.
for the CPU, I actually got the Ryzen 7 1800X, 3.6 gigahertz for its base clock and
4 gigahertz boost on pag kailangan niya ng extra power for just one core. But basically, meron kang 3.6 gigahertz, which is fairly high naman for gaming, for all 8 physical cores. That's 16 threads. By comparison,
sa Coffee Lake actually it's 8 cores. No.
Hindi.
6 cores.
Comparing to yung stations natin ngayon, yung stations namin ngayon are 4 core systems. So basically, for less than double that, we have double the performance here in one socket.
Yeah, and that's actually 19k for in PC Hub.
PC Hub sponsor us, please. We love you too. So yun yung yun yung processor.
The processor actually sells for around 25k. The Ryzen for the Ryzen 7 1800X before it's 25k. Now you can buy it for 19,000 only. So the prices really became more affordable over time.
And then next, kung saan siya ipapatong, we have the MSI X370 SLI Plus.
For expansion, then of course, if I opt to have 2 graphics cards later on, then
if you decide to match another 1080 Ti to it. Hindi, by that time naman siguro na maisipan nung mag-upgrade at least.
Yeah, hopefully the prices goes down by that time because it's really expensive now. I think it's around 51k for the MSI Duke GTX 1080 Ti. That's what I'm getting because it's the cheapest 1080 Ti I think out there right now.
Okay, so X370 SLI.
It's a very flexible board, I think.
Fairly future-proof na siya.
Yeah.
And we're not really expecting to overclock
No.
much. So yeah, that's the motherboard. And then for the RAM,
It's just for the why it's white. I don't want white.
yeah.
But apparently it's the only thing available right now that has 32 gigs.
So we're going with
Dual.
RGB lighting Corsair Vengeance DDR4 at 3200 megahertz in a 2x16 kit. So bali dalawang sticks, 16 gig for a total of 32
And
gigabytes.
it's white.
And the main
We're gonna make it work.
issue is that it's white while most of the hardware na nakuha
It's
namin
black.
plus yung background nito, the case
Yeah.
is black. He's gonna
We're gonna make it work.
He's gonna mess me up. I will not live this.
Let's see later if it's gonna look good.
No. Ang dinahilan ko naman kasi is that
Para magamit ko na.
Yung liquid cooler din niya is may
White.
fan. So, excusable magkatabi yung mga yan.
So it's technically gonna work as an accent of sort.
Sort of, na naipon sa isang lugar. You know,
Yeah.
hindsight is 2020. Plus, nung sinabi namin, ay Brad, baka alanganin yung white. Punch na.
Yeah, and that's why he's wearing glasses. Because his vision is not 2020. So
Anyway, we're running the CryoRig H7 for this.
it's non-RGB, but there's a version that is. But we opted for a non-RGB fan just because.
1K din yung difference eh. And
Yeah.
for me,
And to be honest, I don't really need an RGB rig. You
RGB
guys
is
don't really
life,
need an
but
RGB rig.
you know, we can just use it sparingly.
Yeah, if you're on a budget, you don't need to build an RGB rig because an RGB component for the PC costs around more than 1,000 pesos more.
1K din yung difference.
But performance-wise, it pretty much does the same thing.
So yun siya. Nagulat kami dito kasi it says AM3 plus, walang AM4. But with a little research, AM4 is backwards compatible with AM3 and AM3
yun na
plus
lang.
mounts. So, muntik na naman ang pagalitan ni Boss Arde.
Boss ka dyan. Tsaka
And then-
kakatok na naman kami sa PC.
So, tas karatok na lang kami sa PC. For storage, for primary storage, we are going with a Samsung 960 EVO na M.2 NVMe. Why? Why not? Mabilis na storage. But we specifically needed the boot drive to be at least 250 gig kasi for our uses, 120 gig for boot, medyo madali siya maubos.
Yeah, that's just for Windows.
That's just for Windows, yung Adobe Suite, and then like,
Some games.
you put games?
I don't know. I'm just thinking of stuff to put in it.
Don't do that. Kuha kayo ng isa pang SSD na mas maliit.
Yeah, what he said.
And NVMe for boot kasi, I don't know, we just wanted to boot fast. Plus yung essential programs namin. Boot fast. And then for mass storage, we are going with a 2 terabyte Western Digital Blue. Kasi this will be constantly running and it will be constantly be accessed and record minsan yung gameplay footage na i-output namin for the Primark Play series.
And this is actually proven and tested that this thing is very durable.
Sabi ng benchmarks and tests. Pag naging lemon to, bukas yung package.
Babalik ko yun sa PC.
Ay, pagka mo na-release, babalik ka rin.
Pero yeah, so PC Hub.
Kasi mahal ka namin.
Mahal ka namin. We've been buying stuff from you guys
He's been buying stuff.
ever since my first PC, which is that guy
Sniper. To power it all up, supporting the Ryzen 7 and the 1080 Ti that's coming in is
a 750 watt PSU.
so we're running a Seasonic 750 watt 80 plus gold rated na fully modular power supply kasi gusto ni RD mag-cable manage and this is the best way to do that.
Yeah, I find cable management therapeutic. Not really, very stressful.
Ako gusto ko, ewan ko, it's therapeutic but then again, I don't do as good a job as this guy.
Yeah.
Okay, pangit. Anong tunog yun?
Ayun. So, for the case,
Yung case yung pinaka-nauna sa build na to.
yeah, you know what's funny because I actually bought this first. As in, this was my first purchase for this build because I wanted to be.
Gusto niya may nakikita siyang parang
Gusto ko maganahan.
may reminder siya ng goal
Yeah.
niya. Si RD kasi may tendency siyang bumili ng something na pagbabasehan ng buong build niya.
It motivates me to save up money there.
Ikaw ba naman nakadalingon mo slightly lang sa left, kita mo yung box na walang laman.
Yeah, I was really disappointed.
Kaya medyo nakaka-stress din sa kanya parang Wala pa rin akong PC.
Wala pa rin akong graphics.
Wala pa rin akong PC. Graphics cards kasi kahit sa Pinas nagkakaubusan na rin.
Ubus talaga, man. As in, like, we went, yun nga, pumunta kami PC Hub. The only 1080 Ti's that were available was the 1080 Ti Auros, I think, and the
Euros, tapos
Strix versions, which are around 60 plus.
Bordering 60 plus na.
So,
parang, it's way over budget na rin.
Yeah, it's actually almost, it costs as much as this already.
Oh, on its own, kapresyo na niya yung components na to. So, the case that we're running is a TechWare Void that comes with
tempered glass.
Front side and panel is tempered glass.
I'm not even sure.
Medyo fancy. Actually, all of these boxes are still sealed, so if we run into surprises like shit not working together,
it's his fault, not mine.
My fault. He paid for it.
Yeah. Ayun. So anyway, let's start unboxing and see how this goes. Anyway.
Simulan natin sa motherboard.
Okay. So yeah. First things first, we open the box.
Kaya mo yan, boy!
Bro, walang... Yun! Yun!
Dito ako bibigyan.
Oh yeah, I kinda need this and these. And
Halos lahat.
they have a coaster.
Coaster.
Actually, hindi mo kailangan yun. Ito yata parang
Ilabas mo na lang muna.
menu.
Balikan natin yung mamaya.
Menu.
Menu, man.
So registration stuff, quick installation guides, and memory modules, and user guide, and coaster. Coaster talaga eh. We even use CDs. Ayun, so anyway.
Ano, wala akong optical bay. Ano tayo dito?
Okay lang, bay naman ako. Anyway. Shit. Tikat out yun. Ayun, so. Yeah!
Harap mo sa'yo?
Harap ko sa akin. Bakit? May difference ba yan?
Meron.
Okay.
Optimal something.
Actually, pawis yung kamay ko. Okay.
Hindi, mas okay nga yun eh. At least hindi naipon yung static sa ganun.
So, next, motherboard. No, joke lang. Processor pala.
Motherboard daw.
Huwag kang
Huwag awayin ng tao may kutsilyo.
Tama.
Well cutter, pero...
Nail cutters. Actually, sisusunod nga ito, nail cutter naman doon.
Oo nga daw, narinig ko nga daw yung sabi ni Kuya.
Narinig ko yun.
Ni Kuya Solo.
Are you kidding me? Eh. Gusto mo na, gusto mong picturean? Gusto mong videohan? Brad, ganyan kapawis yung kamay ko. God damn.
Shining, shining.
Hindi na lang.
Oh my God. Dahil first time ko rin mag-handle ng AMD,
Tama ba ito? Ganito?
kaya ako check yung manual eh.
Actually, feeling ko ganito eh.
Feeling mo ah? Sige pare, idaan natin sa feelings yung
I have...
highly engineered,
Pwede ba habang
sophisticated
tinitin mo yan,
technology.
muna?
Idadaan mo sa feelings?
Oh. Yeah.
Wala ko rin
Always gets me in
masisiraan
trouble.
ganyan eh.
My feelings, it always gets me in trouble. Brad, kasi may arrow yun eh.
Oo nga.
May arrow. May arrow.
Sa PTR mo pa.
Tapos meron dong below na thing
Below.
that says that it's supposed to be mounted that way. Okay. Is it that way? Napanood ko Brad sa YouTube, ganun daw eh.
Ganun daw, ilalagay lang daw. Papatong daw.
Sabi ni Linus tsaka ni ano eh.
Kaya nababali yung mga pin eh. Ano, gusto mo mabalian ng pin? May pin naman to, diba?
Yung may ngipin.
Pin style ba to?
Ayos ka, Luis. Don't drop it every time. Ayun na.
Ayun, umupo pre.
Umupo.
Dito na ba na?
Join mo. Guys, if ever we screw up, it's his fault. He's the one who placed it there.
Hindi, umupo naman siya na maayos eh.
Okay, so lock na natin.
Buti maluwag yung ano, yung pins niya.
Hindi bro, pero dapat, di ba pag ganun siya?
Ha? Hindi, nakalagay dito, nasa taas yung ano eh. Nasa taas yung socket.
Kinakabahan ako, Brad. Sure ka?
Handa ka bang isugal yung 20,000 mo?
Hindi nga, yun na nga eh.
Sandali. Handa kasi.
Cut muna. YouTube muna natin.
Wala naman tama.
Wala naman tama eh.
Wala tama lang, pero tama.
Pero sa gigilid?
Oo, ayan o. Orientation niya pag ganun. Tapos, ang weird nito, yung instruction guide niya may fan installation.
Okay na yan.
Wala naman siyang kasamang fan.
Ano, punta na.
Kaya nabalik.
Yan na!
Ay, wow! Cool! Kahit hindi niya directly na-apply ng pressure yung ano, plate.
Binababa nila. Tama.
Naka-secure na siya. Hindi siya hindi siya
Okay, so mga napas niyan.
Hindi, yun eh. M.2 slot. Sabi niya dalawa daw yung M.2 slot.
Pare, 2.5 inch. Wow!
Pre, hindi bagay, pre. Puting-puti, oh.
Puti din naman to eh.
Yung talaga.
Pero ang cute. Ang cute na yun.
Mas cute ako yun.
Mas cute din ako pero
Tapos ito yung ano, yung ram. Oh, rambutan.
puting-puti. Kala mo, binugburan ng liquid eraser.
Ano yan? Sige, game. Saksak natin ng M.2 slot, sa M.2 slot. Dito.
Isalin. Tapos, ayan. I-pin down mo siya. Pin him down. Hindi, yung ano, may notch.
Yun nga. Yun nga.
Okay, look lang.
Pre, feeling ko hindi nga doon.
Ano ba kinakabit? Pati nga ng screw.
Doon sa pinakababa, gagi.
Anong pinakababa? Hindi na yung papasok.
Hindi nga papasok kasi wala nakalagay. Tama nga yun. Huwag kang ano. Akin na nga yan. Kulit nito. Pero
Ano? Muntik niyang ilagay sa gitna ng lamesa yung pagkaliit-liit na gamit na screw na to ay may butas dito. Ole, ole. Hindi ba talaga mait? Brado,
Ano daw?
kailangan tanggalin yung washer nakaharang.
Naka na, tanggalin ko yung washer. Ito lang siya.
Share, patanggal ng washer.
Mark!
So, habang nasa labas si RD, gagawin.
Huwag mo ano eh. Ginagawa mo. Okay, so habang hindi pa natin ginagalaw itong lahat, buksan muna natin yung ito, ang CPU pan.
Funny.
Ha? Eh, CPU fan. Yan. Ayun.
Parang ano eh, fan showcase.
Funny. Good. Register your product to receive an extended 3 years warranty. Wow! Ayaw magbukas. Yan. Oh, it's ginormous.
Yeah.
It's Gemong. Ang pagkakalaki.
Wala tayong saging eh, cellphone for scale.
Saging for scale. Ay, saging for sale. What? Yung sasabi mo. Yan.
Gawa mo.
So, ito yung product registration cards and some install manuals, etc. Wait lang.
Are you kidding me? Yun. Thermal paste. Buti na lang kasama.
Sabi ko yung kasama.
Eh wala siya sa unang box eh. Okay.
Sabi ni Kuya dun sa PC Hub. Shoutout nga pala.
Kay Kuya sa PC Hub. Hindi mo alam yung pangalan, no?
Hindi ko na tinanong eh.
Say my name.
No, Luis.
Your
no.
name is... Don't you know who I am? Gawa mo.
Ito, Brad.
Tanggal na?
Hindi.
Tayo. Ito yung ibang use ng clapper eh. Eh ano ba talaga? Pumapasok ko ayaw.
Pumapasok siya pero ayaw umikot.
Ikot.
Bakit kasi nakakabit siya?
Ikot. Bakit siya nakakabit?
Hindi raw niya matanggal eh. Sabi ko yun.
Hindi.
Wala na apply siya.
Sana pala dinala ko yung ano. Yung pliers.
Wala na, ayaw na.
Ayaw na. Sige. Bye guys. See you next episode.
Supplies dyan. Supplies. Hindi ako mapayag.
Umexist.
Hindi ako mapayag.
Got it. Ano na?
Because I'm good.
Tapos mo?
Yeah. Because I'm awesome like that. Being resourceful. You need that.
Resource for Manila. Resource for Manila.
Okay na yan.
Ang junky nga, no?
Di ba? Hindi ko na sa loob yung...
Pumasok naman.
Sure ka ba? Pwede na buksan yung aircon.
Legit. Kasi naman, alam mong mag-off tayo ng aircon, nag-jacket ka. May t-shirt ka ba sa ilalim niyan?
Meron, kaya lang kasi medyo ano eh,
Ay,
medyo hapit eh.
it's white. White eh.
And
The shadows will reveal your body.
Yeah, and it's bakat everywhere. Anyway, too much information.
Oo nga eh.
So next, we're going to install that stuff
Into that stuff.
into that stuff.
Then,
Put this stuff first.
before mo nilagyan yan, i-test fit muna natin kung tama yung mounting hardware. Kasi mahirap na yung mali yung nailagay natin. Hala eh. So, ang orientation nito,
I need to take this out, right? And replace it with the AM3 socket.
may manual to, di ba?
Oh, may black plate pala to.
Backplate. Ay, oo. You're replacing backplate with something.
Tama ba to? Ito yung AMD. Select mo ba? Ito lang ba yung kasama?
Hindi, ang ginagawa nila is i-rotate lang nila kung AMD or Intel.
Okay.
Kaya Intel.
Okay.
Tapos,
Sa ilalim yan.
so over the course of the build, we found out na this bad boy only comes with
This bad boy.
this bad boy that does not fit with this other bad boy.
Yeah, so basically, we pulled tech source.
So the Texors, ang nangyari kasi is
They gave us the wrong part.
apparently parang may AM4 upgrade ang H7 kaya siya dapat compatible except hindi siya kasama sa nakuha namin.
Yeah, hindi siya kasama right off the box. You need to order it. Yeah, so
Yes,
we're
sir.
just phoning the bill.
Build again tomorrow.